All right, folks, gather round. Let's talk blockchain, the technology that's about to rock your world, harder than a Metallica mosh pit. Imagine a digital ledger, like a giant Excel spreadsheet shared across a network of computers. This spreadsheet tracks every transaction, every Bitcoin spent on questionable online purchases, and the best part? It's practically unhackable. Think Fort Knox, but for digital gold. Why should you care? Because blockchain is changing the game, my friends. From finance to art, supply chains to voting, it's revolutionizing everything. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of blockchain. Now, where do you get your hands on this magical internet money? Blockchain exchanges, baby? These platforms are the bustling hubs where all the crypto action takes place. They are the digital marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. Think of them as the Wall Street of the digital age, but with a lot more flair and a lot less formality. Imagine a futuristic stock market buzzing with neon lights and the sound of fortunes being made and lost. It's a place where technology meets finance, and the atmosphere is electric. Traders are glued to their screens, analyzing charts and making split-second decisions. The stakes are high and the rewards can be immense. These exchanges are like the nightclubs of the crypto world where buyers and sellers meet to trade their digital assets. The energy is palpable and the excitement is contagious. Just like in a nightclub, there's a mix of regulars who know the scene inside out and newcomers who are just getting their feet wet. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, you name it, they got it. These exchanges offer a smorgasbord of digital currencies, each with its own unique features and potential for growth. Whether you're looking to invest in the big names or explore some of the lesser-known altcoins, there's something for everyone.
Think of it like this. You want to trade your hard-earned dollars for some shiny Bitcoin. It's like exchanging your local currency for a foreign one when you travel. But instead of going to a bank or a currency exchange kiosk, you do it all online. The process is straightforward, but it requires a bit of know-how to get the best deals. You head to an exchange, place your order, and bam! You're officially a crypto baller. But it's not just about buying and selling. These platforms also offer a range of tools and features to help you manage your investments, track market trends, and even automate your trading strategies. But hold your horses, cowboy. There are different types of exchanges out there, each with its own vibe. Some cater to professional traders with advanced features and high trading volumes, while others are more user-friendly and geared towards beginners. It's important to choose an exchange that fits your needs and experience level. Some are like exclusive VIP lounges, offering premium services and high security, while others are more like your local pub, with a relaxed atmosphere and easy-to-use interfaces. Choose wisely, my friend. Your crypto journey is just beginning, and the right exchange can make all the difference.
Speaking of crypto ballers, let me introduce you to our resident expert, Goat Dave. Now, Dave's not your average Joe. He lives and breathes crypto, spending his days analyzing charts and predicting the next big pump. Legend has it, Dave bought Bitcoin back when it was cheaper than a cup of coffee. Now he's living the dream, sipping margaritas on a beach somewhere, all thanks to his crypto gains. But don't let my laid-back attitude fool you. I'm a savvy trader, always one step ahead of the game. I'm like the Yoda of crypto, dispensing wisdom and trading tips to anyone who'll listen. So what's my secret? Stay tuned, my friends, because we're about to unlock the mysteries of the blockchain galaxy. Alright, let's get down to business. Welcome to the world of crypto trading, where the stakes are high and the rewards can be astronomical. How do you actually trade crypto on these fancy exchanges? It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be navigating these platforms like a pro. Don't worry, it's easier than teaching your grandma to use TikTok, probably. The first step is understanding the basics of how these exchanges work. First things first, you need to create an account on an exchange. This is your gateway to the crypto universe, where all the trading magic happens. It's like signing up for a social media platform, but instead of posting selfies, you're buying and selling digital assets. The process is straightforward, but make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're in, it's time to fund your account. This is where you decide how much money you're willing to invest in the crypto market. Most exchanges accept fiat currency, that's what we call real money in the crypto world, which you can deposit via bank transfer or credit card. Some platforms even allow you to use PayPal or other digital wallets.
Now comes the fun part, choosing your crypto weapons. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are just the tip of the iceberg. Litecoin, the possibilities are endless. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and potential. It's like a digital candy store, but instead of sugar rushes, you get the potential for life-changing gains or losses, let's be real. The key is to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can swing dramatically in a short period. Crypto trading can be volatile, so always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed, stay cautious, and happy trading.
Section 5. Decentralization Dance-Off. It's your money, honey. One of the coolest things about blockchain and crypto is decentralization. It's a big word, but stick with me. Imagine a world where banks and governments don't control your money, where you have the power to send, receive, and store your assets without any middlemen. That's the beauty of decentralization. It's like the ultimate freedom dance-off, where you're in control of your own financial destiny. No more pesky bank fees, no more government interference, just you and your crypto, living your best life. Of course, with freedom comes responsibility. You're in charge of your own security, so keep those private keys safe. Lose them, and you can kiss your crypto goodbye.
Speaking of security, let's talk about staying safe in the wild world of crypto. The crypto space is full of opportunities, but it also has its fair share of risks. It's like venturing into a digital jungle. Exciting, full of potential, but also fraught with hidden dangers. You need to be vigilant and prepared to navigate through this complex maze.
First rule of Crypto Club, never share your private keys with anyone. These keys are the gateway to your digital assets. These keys are like the passwords to your digital vault. Keep them close, keep them safe. If someone gets hold of your private keys, they can access your funds, and you might never get them back.
Second, beware of phishing scams. These scams are designed to trick you into giving away your personal information. These digital pirates are always on the lookout for unsuspecting victims. They might send you emails that look legitimate, but are actually traps. Don't click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources, or fall for too good to be true offers. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is.
And finally, choose your exchange wisely. Not all exchanges are created equal. Look for platforms with a solid reputation, strong security measures, and a user-friendly interface. Research the exchange's history and read reviews from other users. You want an exchange that's got your back, not one that's going to run off with your crypto. Trust is crucial in the crypto world, not one that's going to run off with your crypto. Always be cautious and do your due diligence. Remember, in the crypto cosmos, safety always comes first. Stay informed, stay secure, and enjoy the journey.
We've talked a lot about crypto, but blockchain is so much more than just Bitcoin. It's like the internet, but for value exchange.
Imagine a world where you can use blockchain to verify your identity, track your food from farm to table, or even vote in elections. The possibilities are literally endless.
We're already seeing blockchain being used in industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and even art. Remember those NFTs that everyone was talking about? Yep, that's blockchain in action.
So buckle up, because the future of blockchain is looking brighter than a Bitcoin billionaire's smile. By now, you're probably thinking, this crypto thing sounds awesome. How do I get a piece of the action? Well, my friend, the first step is to educate yourself. There are tons of resources available online, from beginner-friendly guides to in-depth analyses. Once you've got a basic understanding of blockchain and crypto, it's time to dip your toes into the trading waters. Start small, learn the ropes, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. And remember, crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick, unless you're Goat Dave, of course. So there you have it, folks. A crash course on blockchain, crypto, and everything in between. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. And most importantly, have fun. After all, this is the future of finance we're talking about. Might as well enjoy the ride.